Welcome to Gosia Art Home Cooking. Today I have great recipe for you: ham, eggs and green peas salad. It's a very healthy salad, very simple salad and very delicious. We enjoy so much and I hope you enjoy. For today delicious salad I need ham, about 150 grams, 3 boiled eggs, 200 grams of green peas, 3 radish, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise and 1 tablespoon of Greek yogurt, green parsley and green onion. And let's go started. First I will cut ham. You can choose any ham you prefer. I will cut ham in small dices. The ham was pre-sliced already, so it will be very easy. Okay, the ham is done. I'll put in a bowl. Okay. Side. Next, eggs. And I will cut eggs, hard-boiled eggs. The hard-boiled eggs are cut. Now, next they go to bowl with ham. Next ingredients: radish. The radish I will cut pretty thin slices. Some slices for decoration. Okay, and the radish goes to ham and a boiled egg. Next, green peas. Next, I will cut green onion. The green onion is cut. Now you can see the salad already is beautiful, lots of colors. It will be healthy and delicious. And next, put this on the side. Next, I will cut green parsley. I like lots of greens. This is extra vitamins. Green parsley is cut. Next goes to my salad. Wow, the salad smells so beautiful already. Next, Greek yogurt. And mayonnaise. Black pepper. And let's go combine all the ingredients. Look at the salad. Salad looks beautiful already. And you can see eggs. I didn't cut very thin, I cut it medium size cut, so I will see what I'm eating. Okay, now I'll try. I'll put just a little bit salt. As you can see, the salad is very simple to make and it's done. I'll decorate a little bit with green parsley and radish. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you like this recipe, please comment, like and share with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified about my new video. I have so many delicious recipes on my channel. Be sure you check them out. And see you soon on my next episode. Dziękuję bardzo, smacznego. Bye bye.